Before we begin disassembling our Phoenix Redback Gen 2, we want to make certain that it's completely unloaded, both visually inspecting the chamber and magwell, as well as giving a quick sweep with our finger to make sure we don't miss anything. And make absolutely certain that there is no live ammunition anywhere in the room. To remove the slide from the frame, we want to begin by aligning the notches at the rear of the gun. Holding that in place with your support hand, turn the gun over and push the takedown lever through the frame and pull it out on the support side of the gun. Next, remove the slide from the frame and set the frame aside. To take the slide assembly apart, we want to first remove the recoil spring guide rod assembly by pushing it forward and popping it off the barrel and removing it from the front of the slide. Then simply pull the barrel out the bottom of the slide and you have successfully disassembled your Phoenix Redback. Reassembling your Redback is just as simple, same process, just in reverse. Start by placing the barrel into the bottom of the slide. Then align the guide rod recoil spring assembly in the front of the slide and push it forward so it sits contained against the barrel cam. Next, replace the slide assembly onto the frame by sliding it rearward and aligning the notches at the back of the gun, just like you did when you took it down. Then, grab the takedown lever and line it up with the holes on the support side of the frame, pushing it in until it is flush with the side of the frame. Finally, it's time to function check the gun, single action, trigger reset, and double action. Now, you and your Phoenix Redback Gen 2 are ready for the range.